I'm back. I know it's been a minute. So, life is life, and it sure is lifing. And so I appreciate you hanging out and just waiting for me to come on back. Hey y'all, if you don't know me, my name is Tracy Hyde. I am a leader with Jordan Essentials, and we're a company that focuses on natural and clean products for your wellness, okay? For your self-care even, okay? So you might know that I'm a school social worker by day. And so as social workers, we focus, like, we're mandated to self-care. Like that's part of our job, is we need to care for ourselves, because if you don't care for yourself, you can't help others, right? So I am here to share with you our January Joyful Jordan box with Jordan Essentials, which is always, every month we have this curated, this amazing box that's got great items in it, always valued up over $40. Might have 3 or 4 items in it, but you know, it's always valued over 40 bucks, and you can get it for $30. And if you subscribe, to have one shipped to you every month, or you could send it to somebody else for their birthday, like think your aunt, your sister, your best friend, right? All of those things. But it's always 30 bucks. And if you subscribe, you can get the shipping for free. Okay, it'll just ship to you for free. It's just going to pull that $30 out of your account, whatever one you use, and it's yours. So this is January's, and it's all about tender loving self-care. Okay, so we have this beautiful blend. It's called TLC. TLC, because who doesn't need a little TLC in their life, right? They also always come with this super cute little card that's got a motivational side and information on the products and how to use them on the other side, okay? So the info side says, start your year with a dose of TLC. Tender love and care for your skin, your spirit, and your self-care routine. Right? OMG, I absolutely love it. If you're familiar with our TLC blend, it's the same as it was before. We've got some lovely new branding on it, but it is the same beautiful, amazing scents in it, which include, and I'm going to read them because I don't want to mess up: lavender, peppermint, clary sage, I love clary sage, frankincense, love that too, and sweet orange essentials. Y'all, this is all to boost your mood. And even frankincense can help us girls with our hormones a little bit, can help even that out. Clary sage is so lovely for your hormones again, but another piece of it is that, like, I don't know about you and this, but my neurodivergent brain, when I smell that clary sage, my brain comes all the way up here and it's like, I'm ready. Let's focus. My brain doesn't always do that. So it's fine, right? But that's what this one is going to do for you, okay? So inside it, we have a great 4-ounce tube of shea butter. So this is just shea body butter, doesn't have the magnesium in it, but it's lovely, and it's got the TLC blend in it. We've got a magnesium spray, a 1-ounce magnesium spray. So it does have magnesium in it, and it's got that blend, the TLC blend. And then we have a TLC Magnesium Stick. I was trying to get it back into focus, but I don't know if it'll do it. So I love these. This is like a glue stick for your body. So put this where you feel tension. Breathe it in. Just breathe it in. It's gonna be okay. Let me tell you, even the card says what's in it and how to use it. So the body butter, the 4-ounce body butter, shea butter with vitamin E infused with lavender, peppermint, clary sage, frankincense, and sweet orange essential oils for a luxurious, soothing experience. A go-to for your deep hydration and soft, nourished skin. Perfect, right? How to use, massage gently into the skin as often as needed. I love it. Perfect. Now, the magnesium spray that I was talking about, cute little 1-ounce spray. A little tender love and care just for you. Spurts on your body daily to enjoy magnesium and aromatherapy benefits of restoration and relaxation. Go ahead and give yourself a little TLC. How to use? Spray directly onto skin as often as needed. So you could take this bad boy and you can open it up and you can spray it right on your arms. You could spray it right here. You could get out of the shower, have your hair still up, do a spray and a spray. You're going to breathe that in all day long, okay? Finally, our amazing Magnesium Stick says shea butter and beeswax blend nourishes dry skin while essential oils naturally calm, uplift, and support healthy, soothed skin. Your on-the-go quick stick to balance your busy day. Okay, amazing. And this, what I love about the sticks is because we've got the shea butters with magnesium and without magnesium. We've got the lotions. We've got all of that. Sometimes it's not convenient to like rub it into your hands. Sometimes people want to help you out and they don't want to smell like it. So a stick. Listen, my husband, I will give him my Helio stick and he will put it on my back for me where I can't reach, which is great because then he doesn't smell like Helio, which makes him happy. He doesn't like the clove smell. So how to use this thing? Apply directly to dry or irritated skin and use as often as necessary. So this could go on your elbows, super dry, your wrist gets dry, your ankles, your heels, your knees. Oh my goodness, what else gets super dry in the winter? Well, I'm in Michigan. Everything gets dry. It all is dry. But whatever you need, wherever you need, you can put a little TLC. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope that if you haven't already, you hit that subscribe button. Share this video with whoever you think needs to see it. And then do me another favor. When it's all done, once you've subscribed and liked and shared my video, would you do me a huge favor? Go watch another one, okay? Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I'll see you again real soon. Bye.